Hey, beauties! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting and comprehensive topic to discuss. How to naturally grow long and thicker eyebrows. Thick and full eyebrows can enhance your overall look and frame your face beautifully. So, let's dive into some simple and effective techniques to achieve those dreamy brows. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest beauty tips. 1. Nourish your brows. The first step to growing longer and thicker eyebrows is to nourish them. A simple and natural way to do this is by applying castor oil or olive oil to your eyebrows daily. These oils are rich in nutrients that promote hair growth. Gently massage the oil into your eyebrows in a circular motion for about 2 minutes before bedtime. Leave it on overnight to let the oils work their magic. 2. Keep them clean. Just like the hair on our head, our eyebrows need to stay clean and free from dirt and oil buildup. Regularly cleanse your face and eyebrows with a mild facial cleanser to ensure they are dirt-free. This will help maintain a healthy environment for hair growth. 3. Avoid overplucking. Ladies, I know it's tempting to go for the perfectly shaped eyebrows, but overplucking can hinder their natural growth. Put the tweezers down and allow your eyebrows to grow out for a while. Once you have achieved your desired thickness, you can shape them, but always be mindful not to overdo it. 4. Eat a healthy diet. A balanced diet plays a significant role in promoting hair growth, including your eyebrows. Incorporate foods rich in vitamins A, C, E, and biotin into your diet. Some examples are leafy greens, carrots, sweet potatoes, avocados, and nuts. These nutrients are essential for healthy hair growth. 5. Stimulate growth with aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is known for its hair-stimulating properties. Apply a small amount of fresh aloe vera gel to your eyebrows and leave it on for 30 minutes. Rinse off with water. Repeat this process a few times a week, and you'll notice an improvement in eyebrow growth. 6. Use onion juice. Onion juice contains sulfur, which aids in improving blood circulation and promoting hair growth. Extract some onion juice and apply it to your eyebrows using a cotton swab. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off. It may have a strong smell, but the results will be worth it. 7. Be patient and consistent. Growing longer and thicker eyebrows naturally takes time, so be patient and consistent with your routine. It may take a few weeks or even months to see noticeable results, but don't give up. Continue following these steps, and you'll be well on your way to achieving those luscious eyebrows. There you have it, our comprehensive tips on how to grow long and thicker eyebrows naturally. Remember, the key is to nourish, keep them clean, and be patient with the process. Embrace your natural beauty, and let your eyebrows frame your face beautifully. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, comment down below if you have any other beauty topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful.